everyone, it's Julia. Someone recently sent me these little key fob hardware. It comes with this little tool and these clips. And I thought these would make a fun accessory for my little summer shop. And I'm going to be doing some lake themed ones and this Minnesota themed. And I'm going to be using denim. Now this denim, I'm just ripping it from a pair of jeans. Just cut a little slit and then just ripping it. And that just adds a nice little frayed edge to it. They're about 1 inch wide, and I'm thinking probably about maybe 7 inches long. They're going to be folded, and that folded edge is what's going to go into the clip. So I did many of these. Just ripping. I did a couple different colors, I believe, 2 different colored denim. And then I took I used Canva and just did some words, and I ran it off first on paper because I wanted to make sure that the words were right, and that I had room to put this little stamp. And I'm going to be using this little heart stamp. So it's going to say, I love the lake, I love Minnesota, and my shop is close to North Dakota too. So I do have North Dakota shoppers. So I did some I love North Dakota as well. Now to run these through my printer, I use my shipping labels. Then I know it's exactly the 8.5 by 11. Gives it some structure. And here's what it looks like. I just ran it right through. And then I'm going to share, this is like just a natural colored muslin that I'm using. And I can use these labels 3 or 4 different times. There's enough sticky left on them. So again, I'm just adding into the back of this muslin. And then I'm going to trim it down to size. And then run it through my printer. I did several of these. I have just like a little basket of them at my flea market shop. I'm using my Heat and Bond Light now, or I remove those labels, and I'm going to be putting this Heat and Bond Light on the back side. So this is a paperback adhesive, and I'm just ironing it, both from the front and the back. Here I am with the ironing it from the back. I protected my little wool mat with a piece of parchment paper there. And I wanted to make a notice that I did a lot of ironing or just heat setting this because I wanted to make sure, I wanted it to be somewhat water resistant. These aren't going to be washed, but in case you spill something on them. And I did test it, and my black ink is pretty secure, pretty waterproof. My color is not. So you might want to test your printer just to see, but I had pretty good luck with my black. I'm just putting these down to size now. They're I would say about a 1/2 inch or so wide. I still have that paperback adhesive on the back side of this at this point, but the next thing I'm going to do, after I get done stamping, I'll remove that paperback adhesive. Just removing that, and then it'll go right on to my denim. Just going to center that. I want to make sure that clip still fits on the top of there. That's what I'm just making sure I have it in the right spot before I iron this on. Here's a close-up of stamping. I am using an archival ink, which is waterproof, and this is the red geranium. It's a dull red, which I really like. It almost has like a vintage red or barn red color to it. I'm using a navy blue all-purpose thread, and I'm going to stitch on both sides of that all the way through the layers. These are really easy to put on, but you do want to make sure that the key fob, the folded edge of the key fob, is all the way to the back of the clip. And then just give it a squeeze, and you're good to go. One more thing I wanted to add were these little dangles. They're just like just a really cute little fringe or dangle. I don't know. I'll link all my supplies down below for you. It's my Amazon link. So I'll stick these in. They're inexpensive, a lot of colors. I really think that these would make great gifts if you have like a sewing club, or just you can say I love sewing or I love the quilt. Just a lot of different possibilities on these. Really quick video, but I hope you enjoyed this, everybody. I hope you have a chance to create this week. Bye for now.